150mm/H sounds fast, but that AI camera misses half the failures. The Saturn IV Ultra prints at 150mm/H, but its AI camera fails more often than it helps. Here's the honest truth. The 16K mono LCD delivers stunning detail. Miniatures come out with crisp, sharp edges and smooth surfaces that rival prints from printers costing twice as much. For $519, the resolution is genuinely impressive. Tilt-release technology cuts peel forces dramatically, so prints separate from the FEP cleanly. I printed a full plate of tiny D&D figures in under 3 hours. That's roughly half the time my older Saturn II took. Smart tank heating holds resin at a steady 30 degrees Celsius, which eliminated the layer separation I used to see in cold garages. Winter prints now come out consistently, even with standard resins that usually struggle below 20 degrees Celsius. Auto-leveling is truly plug-and-play. I never touched a leveling screw. The built-in sensor also detects leftover cured resin on the LCD, which saved my screen from a nasty scratch on my second print. The flip-up lid and built-in AI camera with light make monitoring easy. The time-lapse feature is fun for sharing. Plus, the smart resin feed system tops up the tank automatically, so I don't have to pause mid-print. Here's what you get. 16K magic, precision redefined design to capture the finest details for exquisite models. ELEGOO Saturn IV Ultra 16K resin 3D printer boasts ultra-high resolution, ensuring that every model bursts with smooth surfaces, lifelike textures, and impeccable precision. Smart tank heating. Flawless prints at 30 degrees Celsius. ELEGOO Saturn IV Ultra 16K 3D resin printer features an intelligent tank heating system that continues heating the resin to keep it at a perfect 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring better fluidity and layer adhesion. This drastically reduces defects like bubbles and layer separation, leading to higher success rates and better print quality. A new AI camera with light for all-day monitoring. The AI camera offers real-time monitoring and instant alerts for empty build plates and warped models, enabling you to address them without delay. With a built-in chamber light, you can easily check on your print progress day or night, and the time-lapse feature lets you effortlessly capture and share your creative journey. Note, AI detection results may vary depending on the environment, models, and resin types. The AI camera is unreliable. It missed a failed print that peeled off the build plate, and the alerts are delayed. In a dim room, it gave false alarms, so I ended up disabling it after a week. At $519, it's $70 more than the standard Saturn IV, and the only upgrades are the AI camera and heated tank. If you print in a warm room, the heating is useless, making it hard to justify the premium. The build volume is 8.33 times 4.66 times 8.66 inches, fine for minis, but small for larger models. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S offers a similar 10-inch screen for $399, undercutting this by $120. The smart resin feed is a gimmick. It uses a pump that can clog with thick resins, and cleaning it is a hassle. You're better off manually pouring resin, which is simpler and less messy. No Wi-Fi connectivity. You must use a USB drive or cable. The ELEGOO app is clunky, and the touchscreen UI feels dated compared to the sleek interface on the frozen Sonic Mighty 14K. If you're a miniature painter who values speed and detail, the Saturn IV Ultra is excellent, but the AI camera is a gimmick, and the price is steep. Save $70 and get the standard Saturn IV if you don't need heating. Check the current price and alternatives like the Anycubic Photon Mono M5S in the description below.